Are you ready for Cub Convention 2019?
Yeah, baby. Sheraton, here we come.
Missing someone. With all your heart. Missing someone.
They call it the Windy City for a reason, no matter.
Yeah, it's windy. Yeah. It's actually called the Windy City.
Are you ready to meet Christopher?
Yes, there he is. Not funny. Not funny. This is not my machine. Hey, listen.
1640. This is where we'll be staying.
1265.
Alright, if the city's behind us, we're gonna have a horrible view.
City down.
Bed? Ready for the biggest view reveal?
Don't touch
Crane your
the
neck.
Fiji water.
Crane your neck, you can see the lake.
Hey, did you
If you touch anything in the refrigerator, $30 charged to the room. Come on, bathroom review, here you go.
sink? Kleenex.
Oh, she picked it up. That's ours
Might
now.
be free, it might not, it's hard to tell. But it's purified water, maybe they put that there for people with the mask.
Yeah.
Toilet,
Is it coming out of the wall?
but is it hanging? Look at the shower. Where's the electronics? I don't know, look what it has.
Horrible.
It's close.
Disgusting.
It's plastic. A little disappointing.
And you deserve. And you did it right from the start.
That's a coupon.
I got
Are you kidding me right now?
$5 off.
Are you nervous?
Yeah. Well, you put this in the backpack.
I hold it. Boy.
Autograph.
Oh,
God.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Headed to go spend all my money on a watch. Looks like Andy paid for my Cody Cosi. Thank you.
I could have gotten VIP by myself.
We bought the watch.
Watch is this.
Look at this.
Like those that wood
You hear
box,
that?
they put those expensive baseball cards in.
Designer. Okay, here we go.
Dang.
Don't know about all that, brother. Won't even be able to hold your wrist up.
Yeah, he'll be like walking around.
Okay, fits perfectly.
It's not gonna focus.
It's a little big. You know, was this made for like wristman of the year?
Yeah.
Well, we still ain't find nowhere to go. We've been walking for a mean minute.
Yeah, it's cold. But you got
to get your mile in every day.
Take that, Rick.
Yeah.
Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart.
1 hour till kickoff. We're running late.
Missing someone.
Personally, at this, what is that?
I think we're good. We're good. We're very short last year. We have pretty strong moments.
You might be the best dressed Cubs player here at the event.
I guess everybody knows that each off-season we feel the best day ever had.
Right. I'm in the best shape of my life.
I'm in the best shape. Okay, good.
Have you started swinging yet?
Oh yeah.
So,
I started.
years on the air island. International League Rookie of the Year, International League MVP, it can only be Chris Bryant.
How was the opening ceremony?
My body's so hurt.
What do you think about Bryce getting introduced?
That favorite part. What a
He's won the Rookie of the Year, he's won the MVP, he's won a World Series, he's just getting started in his career, he's healthy, he's hungry in 2019. Everybody on your feet for Chris Bryant! Emily, you sleep out there, or me and Anthony got this?
That would be. I don't know. We'd probably bunk beds.
Bunk beds, yes!
You know. I like that. I like that.
You go down to concierge, like, hey, do you guys mind if we build bunk beds? And they're like, and you're like,
Where's he at? I don't even know. South Africa?
yeah.
They gotta have bunk beds down there.
They would for sure. I think if you research it, you can find somewhere.
Well, there's probably a lot of trees and probably little or something.
Here's some lighters. Here's some lighters.
Andy. How was the late night show with Dempster?
Loved it. Chris was the best part.
Yeah, well, we already knew that.
Okay, come with me as I get ice.
Giordano, that man gets called pizzas at the door, so now we gotta
He
go
was
retrieve.
stressed. He was talking about 75 miles per hour.
What?
Coming to see us. I just told you we haven't eaten.
Hello, my love. How was Coley?
He was very nice, and he said he'd see me this season. So I hope he's gonna buy me a ticket.
But right now, going into this season,
Continue, Coach. Talking more this winter about.
But we're just truly thankful for you guys. Whatever we do on the field is great, but it's so nice to see just good, genuine people supporting us. So thank you guys for all coming out.
It's a grimy day out here in these streets. D4 Irish Pub.
What's up?
About to eat that good breakfast.
Do they have any heat?
No.
Somebody was stealing it.
I couldn't work for Coca-Cola. How's your food?
Good. This was the best.
On US 99, but also diehard Cub fans and season ticket holders. And we are here to do the first time.
How was the panel?
Loved it. Favorite one.
Who was your favorite player there?
Liam Mapp was pretty charismatic. I guess they all are, but I don't like them all.
Wow, and you like the one way. Taxi time.
Oh yeah.
Almost hit you in the face. We in these cold, windy streets of Sheraton. Headed to Nordstrom. Oh my god. Slushy. Oh god, we have the night. This might be the last fucking shot I have. Oh my head's gonna fly off, it's so windy. Oh my god.
Although it looks like some of them are out.
The ornament's gonna fly off the tree at this pace. How's bingo?
Goes to Wrigley Field, Tina.
That's a good dad taking his kid to the Cub convention, winning of his stuff, wrapping it up in a Rizzo jersey. Actually, team over Mr.
Walking to right here, Volare. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am.
Recommended by Ian Happer.
Ian Happ.
Alright, that place looks bad.
Yeah. Oh, they have imported pastas here.
This looks perfect.
We can make this work. You wanna? What else is next? Anything?
Jimmy, try this. You like this?
What is that there?
Oh, broccoliola. It's beef short rib. This is called polenta. Cheesy polenta. Yeah.
Welcome to Food Wishes.
So
Beef.
what's different?
What is different?
What is different about it?
How was the pizza?
Surprisingly, really good.
Surprisingly, even though it was voted best in town.
I don't trust them.
Out of 10, what would it be?
Solid 9.
What do you think of the deep dish?
It was very good.
A winter wonderland. The Uber is on the way. Don't try recording and walking down the icy stair. How are you feel?
Cold.
How are you feeling?
Full.
Same.
Cold. Full. These are all words of the Navajo. What do you think of the hall?
I think it's impeccable.
Thank you. Thumbnail. Get the thumbnail quick. Just kidding. Thumbnail's gonna be in first.